Luxury modern living room. Lights auto-turning. On warm cozy cinematic smooth. Dolly shot smart home dashboard. Glowing futuristic. UI POV entering home lights. Reacting to motion immersive coffee table. Close-up. Smart gadgets. Aesthetic clean style. Floating text. Style futuristic neon B-roll. Minimal background. Gadget 1. Smart lighting. 60 or 10. Macro RGB bulb changing colors. Bokeh cinematic. Ceiling lights shifting warm to cool auto mode. Hand tapping smart switch. Warm ambience. Spreading RGB strip lighting under sofa. Modern luxury vibe living room. Glowing golden hour aesthetic. Cozy mood. Gadget 2. Smart assistant. 11 to 15. Smart speaker. Listening light ring. Glowing close-up person. Saying command. Lights turning on, instant effect, slow zoom. AI assistant, in stylish kitchen, minimal. Speaker, playing soft background music. Ambient shot, B-roll cozy home. Reacting to voice command, cinematic gadget 3. Smart security, 1620. Smart doorbell camera, close-up blue indicator. Light exterior, modern home night security lights, turning on POV phone notification. Live video feed, clean UI, smart lock unlocking. Automatically smooth motion, camera scanning. Visitor, futuristic AI style. Gadget 4, smart cleaning, 21-25. Robot vacuum, gliding across floor minimal aesthetic, top view vacuum mapping room. AI grid overlay style, robot docking, auto charging. Blue light cinematic clean, modern living room. Vacuum working, smooth motion. Macro shot wheels. Moving slow futuristic detail. Gadget 5. Smart kitchen. 2629. Smart coffee maker. Brewing steam rising macro shot. Kitchen under cabinet. LED lights turning on throughout fridge. Smart screen swipe. UI glowing modern kitchen auto dispenser. Water pouring clean stainless steel vibe. Wide shot whole home smart lights, syncing cozy luxury atmosphere.